Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared Mpox a public health emergency of international concern due to a dramatic rise in cases, especially in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where over 14,000 cases and 524 deaths have been reported this year. A new variant, Clade Ib, linked to sexual transmission, is fueling the outbreak. Mpox cases have also been detected in neighboring African countries for the first time. The U.S. has reported 1,634 cases this year, more than double from last year, though lower than the 2022 outbreak. The Africa CDC has declared Mpox a public health emergency of continental security. In other developments, the family of Casey Goodson Jr., a 23-year-old man fatally shot by former Sheriff's Deputy Michael Jason Meade in December 2020, will receive $7 million in a federal civil rights lawsuit settlement. The Franklin County Board of Commissioners approved the settlement, which the family called historic. Goodson was shot multiple times outside his grandmother's Columbus home, sparking national outrage and demands for police reform. Meade, who claims Goodson threatened him with a gun, faces a retrial for murder and reckless homicide starting au quinze. 31, after a mistrial earlier this year. The case is contentious, with no body camera footage and differing accounts of the events leading to Goodson's death. In another update, a 47-year-old man, Robert Francis Dumaran, has been arrested in connection with several improvised explosive devices found on Maui. Dumaran, who made his initial court appearance on Tuesday, is charged with possessing an unregistered destructive device and attempting to damage property with explosives. Authorities have been dealing with multiple explosions on the island, including IEDs hidden in trash cans and disguised in baskets. Dumaran's fingerprints were found on one of the devices discovered near Kahului Elementary School on July 23rd. The investigation also used cell tower data to place him near other explosion sites. Dumaran's preliminary hearing is set for August 27th, and further charges may be pending. In other news, the Norfolk Southern train derailment in Ohio in February 2023 left creeks contaminated, sickened cleanup workers, and sparked health concerns among residents. Workers experienced headaches and nausea during the cleanup, and some residents have since reported unexplained rashes, respiratory problems, and cancers. A report detailing these issues was kept from the public. Despite the EPA's safety assurances, toxic chemicals were found in the area. Residents face a deadline to accept a settlement from the railroad, but concerns about long-term health effects and potential cancer clusters persist. Cleanup efforts are ongoing. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.